how to buy Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Trust Wallet application over here, and just make sure to go ahead and then basically sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, if you want to buy Bitcoin, right over here you can look at the option known as buy. So make sure to tap the buy option there, and then just search for BTC, which is a short form for Bitcoin, and then select that. Now all you have to do is enter the US dollars equivalent of the Bitcoin that you would like to buy. Tap on buy option. You can buy with credit card or other options that you might have, and once you have done that, you will be able to connect your account of your payment option and then buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. This way you will be able to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.